Do you also feel like when it comes to cryptocurrencies, you mostly just hear other people's opinions? Everyone tells you about the next 100, Xcoin, but in the end, it's often just hype or even advertising behind it. That's exactly why I started this channel. I'm Marius, and on my channel 10x by Marius, you won't get speculation or paid tips, no hype. I analyze altcoins based on my 20 key metrics. Always data-driven, transparent, and easy to follow. At the end of each analysis, you get a clear result in percentage terms, and I calculate price scenarios for you so you can make better decisions. But a quick disclaimer, my channel is not financial advice, it's purely for informational purposes. I used to be in that exact same position myself. I wanted to invest in altcoins, but there were just way too many. Some people say one thing, others say the exact opposite. And many videos on YouTube ended up being just opinions, or even advertisements. So I thought to myself, there must be a way to build crypto analyses, like in the real business world, with numbers, data, and facts. And that's exactly how the 10x formula was created. In every video, I explain an altcoin in a simple and understandable way. From the technology and use case to the tokenomics, roadmap, and even competitor analyses. And at the end, there is a clear rating in percent. No opinions, but a structured evaluation with a point system. So if you're tired of blindly investing in random coins or listening to tips on TikTok, then you're in exactly the right place. If you want to make smart decisions, subscribe to the channel now and check out my latest video right away. Welcome to 10x by Marius, the place for honest, data-driven altcoin analyses.